Frontier 2467, Cleveland Tower, runway 24 left with takeoff.
2 for left, clear to go, Frontier Flight 2467. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Frontier 2467. Evident engine failure number 1.
Frontier 2467, left traffic's approved if you need it.
Roger that, left of traffic. Let's level off at 3,000 feet. Frontier 2467. We anticipate return to the field.
Frontier 2467, roger.
Southwest 979, approach clearance canceled. Fly heading 180, maintain 4,000. We got an emergency coming back. I'm sorry, make that 320 heading at 4,000. We got an emergency coming back with the engine on fire. We gotta get the other way.
Cleveland Tower, just make sure you heard us. 587 Kilo Bravo, ILS 24 right.
November 87 Kilo Bravo, Cleveland, approach cancel. Approach clearance, maintain 3,000. Fly runway heading.
Alright, maintain 3,000, runway heading 7 Kilo Bravo.
Alright, Tower Frontier 2467. We are going to return to the field. We have all engines available, and we'd like to make left or right traffic at your pleasure.
Frontier 2467, roger. Right turn heading 320.
Right turn heading 320, and we'll continue our emergency status all the way to the field. Again, we have all engines available right now.
South 979 Tower, still talking to that other aircraft. We're going to try and figure out what it needs. I'm going to dispatch you around for now and let you know as soon as I find something out. South 979, turn righting 060, and when you start to come inbound, you can plan for 24 left. We're going to get this other guy on the ground at 24 right, and then we'll get you going.
Frontier 2467, turn right heading 360, right traffic at your discretion.
Heading 360, Frontier 2467. Roger, we'll have some checklist to do real quick, and we'll let you know.
Yes, sir, take time.
No problem.
Frontier 2467, when you have a moment, souls on board, fuel remaining, and which runway would you like to land? 24 left is the longer runway.
Okay, we've got 181 souls on board, and
I'm sorry, Frontier 2467, we have currently 188 souls on board. Fuel on board 13.4. We'd like to request runway 24 right. We'll set up for that.
Frontier 2467, roger, expect 2 for right.
Expect 24 right. We have no remaining deficiencies at all. However, we did have that compressor stall, and we expect the potential to lose engine 1 again.
Frontier 2467, how long do you think you'll need before you turn final? Do you need to do like 10 minutes on the checklist?
No, we just have to check some boxes before we can actually turn around and make an approach. Give us 5 more minutes.
Frontier 2467, roger. Turn right heading 060, and I'm going to give you 2 approach here when you're ready for that frequency.
Roger, 060, we'll take approach. Thanks for that.
Frontier 2467, 128.25, and just let them know when you're ready.
2825, and I'm not sure if we hit a bird or what the problem was on that engine 1. You may want to look for shrapnel and or bird pieces. We had no indications and no signs of anything.
Yes, sir, thank you. Curry Tower. Curry, drive runway 24 left.
Approach Frontier Flight 2467, 3,000 feet. Frontier Flight 2467, emergency aircraft 3,000 feet, heading 060.
Frontier 2467, Cleveland approach, loud and clear. How long do you think you need some delay vectors for?
Give us another 5 minutes, we need some data.
Okay.
Approach Frontier Flight 2467, we're ready for the turn.
Frontier Flight 2467, roger, flighting 090.
Heading 090, Frontier 2467.
Frontier 2467, turn ready 150.
Heading 150, Frontier 2467.
Frontier 2467, can you take a turn direct, sure?
Affirmative.
Frontier 2467, turn right direct, sure.
Direct Shark 2467.
Frontier Flight 2467, you're about 11 miles for sure, cross check at 3000, consider ILS runway 24 right approach.
Okay, we are 3000 still established, cleared ILS 24 right in Frontier 2467.
Curry, roger, no thought or anything.
Frontier 2467, contact tower.
Off tower 2467, thanks. Tower Frontier Flight 2467, ILS 24 right.
Frontier 2467, Cleveland Tower, wind 210.12, runway 24 right, clear to land, braking action medium by all types.
Clear land 24 right, copy the braking action 2467. You guys find any debris on the other side?
There was no debris on the runway. Emergency personnel are standing by at the runway, obviously.
Roger, thank you.
Frontier 2467, what would you like to do?
Yes, sir, we'd like to go to on November, and if we can get inspection, making sure there's no fire, smoke, or damage, and then we can go to the gate if it's clear for flight 2467.
Frontier 2467, roger. Taxi on the November, hold short of runway 24 left. When you're clear of 24 right, you can just hold your position.
Okay, we're going to be on November, and when clear of 24 right, we can hold here for flight 2467.
Frontier 2467, when you have a second, somebody would like to know if you deployed oxygen in the cabin or in the cockpit.
Negative. There were no signs of any fire indications, so no oxygen was deployed.
Thank you. Frontier 2467, the ARC vehicles say that you're fine. Whenever you're ready to taxi, just let me know.
Okay, we'll let you know when we can for flight 2467. And tower for flight 2467.
Frontier 2467, tower.
Yes, so we have a brake fault now, and we're kind of working through that, and we'll let you know when we can move.
Roger, no rush. Thank you.
And tower for flight 2467, we are ready to move.
Frontier Flight 2467, roger. Hold short of runway 24 left at November.
Hold short 24 left November, Frontier Flight 2467.